Hi, in this video we are going to see a government college recruitment notification, and from all over the India you may apply from any state, and with only post graduation you can get up to 40,000 rupees per month, and whoever the candidates belonging to only PG and PG plus UG Senate and the PhD. So for all these different categories here the opportunities are there. So after watching this video, please share this one to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. It will be very much helpful to them. And if your subjects are not covered in this video, then please mention your requirement in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as immediate notifications to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And please watch this video until the end to get the complete details regarding the recruitment notification. Online personalized job consultancies by paying only 100 rupees as a registration fee, and fill up the Google form and the link I kept in the description box of this video. By this method, whatever the jobs you are looking for, those jobs we will search and the job notifications will be directly sent to your registered mail ID. And one more note is that the candidates who are already registered for this one, you need to check your mail IDs regularly. Why? Because my team is sending a lot of recruitment notifications. Free online live classes, guys. Okay, even though if you miss the live classes, you can go to the recorded one also. For the general paper one, that is the teaching and research aptitude in English. Okay, daily evening 5:30, and while coming to the paper 2 electronic science, daily at the afternoon 3 o'clock. And whoever the interested candidates are there, I kept one link in the description box of this video. That is a Telegram group link. So please join in that group link. Then you will get the regular updates regarding this free UG Senate online live classes from the Unacademy side. Coming to the present content of the video, it is Central University of Karnataka. So all over the India, if you belongs to any state, then you may apply for this one, guys. And this notification released on 21st October 2021. So there is a walk-in interview, and applications are invited from the eligible candidates for engagement as a teaching faculty in the various departments on a contractual basis and hourly basis. Here the contractual basis payment is different and hourly basis payment is different. Okay. And the details of this post and the number of positions that you may check down. Interested candidates having the minimum qualification and fulfilling other eligibility conditions may attend the walk-in interview directly along with their detailed biodata and all certificates and mark sheets in original in support of qualification, experience, etc. And the last date for the application of this contractual and hourly position in the Central University of Karnataka is 1st November 2021 evening 5 o'clock. Okay. And how to apply means you have to simply send your resume to the provided mail ID, guys, departmental wise. So I may check down the departmental wise. Here the mail IDs are given. Simply what you have to do is that check your subject and check the eligibility conditions and then send your resume to this provide mail ID as per the departmental wise. And while coming to the subjects, the number of vacancies are divided here as per the caste category. So thus here the subjects are economics, geography, English, psychology, business studies, commerce, Hindi, geology, mathematics, physics, computer science, chemistry, electronics and communication engineering, electrical engineering, linguistics, music, Hindustani vocal and education, computer science technology, environmental science, life science, tourism and hotel management, mass communication, journalism and law. Okay. So these are all comes under the contractual faculty, and the total number of vacancies are 53 are there. Okay, and coming to the hourly basis faculty, here the subjects are psychology, social work, mathematics, physics, chemistry, music or Hindustani vocal, education, art in education, yoga, health and physical education, environmental science, mass communication and journalism, and a bachelor of vocation, food technology. Total 90 number of vacancies are there. Okay, so these are the departments, guys. And coming to the eligibility conditions, minimum qualifications in the case of management. So bachelor's degree and master's degree. Okay, PG, DMA or CE or ICW or MCOM with first class and 2 years of professional experience. And apart from that one, the candidate must have the UGC NET or SLET qualification must be there. Coming to the tourism and hotel management, bachelor's degree in any discipline and a master's degree in the business administration. And apart from that one, the candidate must have the 2 years of professional experience as well as the NET qualification must be there. And coming to the engineering and technology, BTech and MTech, that's it. So whatever the thing I kept on the thumbnail, so if you're having the PG in the engineering disciplines, then UGC NET or PhD is not required. So by this one, you can get 40,000 rupees per month. Okay. And coming to the teaching faculty in the Department of Music, Performing Arts, Visual Arts and other traditional Indian art. Okay, so master's degree with 55% of marks, and apart from that one, the candidate must have the UGC, NET or CSI or NET or SLET or SET qualifications must be there. And in the studies of education, educational foundation course, post PG degree in social science with minimum 55% of marks, and MEd, or else MA degree in education, BEd or BE1 ED degree, curriculum and pedagogical courses, PG degree in sciences, mathematics, social sciences, language with minimum 55% of marks, and MEd. Okay, so these are all the cases. And specialized courses, physical education, so MPED with 55% of marks. And coming to the visual arts, PG degree in fine arts with minimum 55% of marks. And in the performing arts, PG degree in music or dance or theater arts with minimum 55% of marks. Okay, so these are the essential qualifications required for the post, whatever they mentioned, guys. And I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video, so you please clearly go through to get the accurate and more details. And coming to the remuneration, here you may check down. The engagement is purely on temporary basis for a period of 1 semester only. For the engagement on contractual basis, faculty shall be paid a remuneration of 40,000 rupees per month for the candidates who are having UGC or CSI or NET or SLET, and 45,000 rupees for the candidates who are having the PhD in the relevant subject. So in the engineering departments, as well as in which departments the UGC NET examination is not there, so for those departments only PG is enough, and they will get the 40,000 rupees per month. It is on the contractual basis. And while coming to the hourly basis, you will get maximum up to 25,000 rupees per month. Okay. So these are all the complete details. And if your subjects are not covered, then please mention your subjects in the comment section. If I got the recruitment notification which is matching up with your profile, then definitely I will come up in the next video. To get my next video as an immediate notification to your mobile phones, you have to subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And don't forget to share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to those subjects. It will be very much helpful to them. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam from Unacademy side, here one announcement follows. So if you are interested, you may continue this video, guys. Otherwise, you may stop this video by here itself. Thank you. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science and philosophy, tourism, admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay. And from each and every course, you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself I am Ashwani Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on the see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the, free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting, or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys.